friend, welcome. Today we are on our unplanned trip to Netherland. Yeah, it's for one day trip, and this is our Fairytale where we stayed. A small chalet. Our plan is to go Giethoorn from here. So this is how it's look like from inside. This is 4-bed chalet. It's a small kitchen and everything. It's really very well arranged. And this is a small toilet bathroom. It's not bad, it's really nice. So we just came here to spend one night, and in 1 hour we'll start our journey towards Giethoorn. This is how surrounding look like. It's really pleasant. So we are in Giethoorn. We just parked our car here, and now we are doing walking tour. It looks really beautiful. So for parking and information of this place, check my description box. So there is also a museum here. You can also visit during the stay here. So you definitely have a feeling of being in Venice if you are here in Giethoorn. I have put all information about this place and where to do parking and what to do here in Giethoorn in my description box. So don't forget to check it out. It's look like a junction. So you can see many boats over here. So it looks really beautiful, and this village is also kind of pollution free, motor free. All boats are using the electricity, so or either manual boats. So the atmosphere here is really clean, and there is such a bridge that they used to cross from one bank to another bank. My friend said if you are here, then you have the similar feeling that you are in Kerala in India. This is also Corona time, but the good thing is no one is wearing mask over here because they are trying to keep distance from one another, and they really do. So it's really nice to see something like this. So now we are going back to see if boat is available for us to drive. Here is 5 and 4.
excited for boat. Let's see whether we can get or not.
Yeah.
Let's try our luck.
So we are here on Tuesday, even though there are lots of tourists. Many people are traveling here. Sometimes you need to really wait long to have boat. Let's see if we are lucky or not. So we took our boat from here, and now we are waiting for our instructor to come. Normally it's 19.90 euro per hour, and after every extra hours you have to pay 15 euros, so minimum 2 hours. And we paid around 35 euro for our boat trip, and our boat should look like this. So this is how boat look like. So we are in the boat now. Misri is not feeling well. So here Kumar is leading us. So now we are going back. Our round trip is over. So this is all from our Giethoorn trip. So thank you very much, guys.